Welcome to the most electrifying dive into the world of finance, where every digit is a gamble and every decision a potential jackpot. Get ready to buckle up as we navigate the turbulent waters of cryptocurrency, dissect the latest market moves, and uncover the hidden gems of the stock world. I'm your host, Crypto Ukrainian, hailing all the way from the heart of Ukraine, joined by the brilliant minds of Justin, Alex, and Red. Together, we're not just breaking news. We're shaking the very foundation of traditional finance. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious bystander, strap in and prepare to have your financial worldview shattered. This is where the money talks, the bulls run wild, and the controversy is our middle name. Welcome to SLED. Let's make some noise. Welcome to the most electrifying dive into the world of finance. Yo, what up, guys? How's it going?
What
I should
up,
start
bro?
playing again. What's up, guys? Oh
What's
man,
good? What's
long
good?
time no see. Fuck, a lot has happened, right? Those positions we called out at our podcast yesterday are going well. What's your percentage now, CNC?
476.
476%, 476%. That's what's up. That's why you guys should tune in, subscribe to this channel, and follow us. We make great calls here, talk about news in cryptocurrency world and stuff like that. You heard the intro. I want to talk about Bitcoin a little bit, guys. I have some stuff that I've checked out, and I want to share it with you and with the community. So let's take a look at something before we dive into charts. Just want to get it off my chest. All right, so yesterday was crypto's biggest sell-off. It was biggest in over 6 months. 300,000 crypto traders got liquidated. 1 billion plus was flushed out from the market. That is just crazy numbers. That doesn't happen too often. Here's some info about that right there in that little slide. We got pretty much almost 1.1 billion liquidated. On the other hand, why this matters, right? Well, crypto has a lot of leverage, right? People borrowing, contracts. When prices fall, those borrowers' collaterals get liquidated, right? It causes major sell-off. And yesterday, crypto had more liquidation like I said, in the last 6 months. But even then, it's probably in the top 5 liquidations that ever happened in this market. Another thing is what happened yesterday is one of the OG investors, he sold 1,000 Bitcoins in 1 hour. I think he had that wallet for like 10 something years. I can show you his wallet address as well, so you guys can take a look here. Where is it? So there's even a Twitter post here, a whale from 2010. Yeah, so 14 years. So he basically welcomed all new all-time high buyers and dumped 1,000 Bitcoins. 68 million in 1 hour was dumped. That's why we saw that slide. But that doesn't stop the move up, because exactly when that happened, it's still climbing up. Like Alex said, he's over 400% plus in a position that we called yesterday. And something else I wanted to mention here. Oh yeah, so like I said, it's one thing to say and to talk about these big sell-offs, but if you're new, it's another thing to experience it. So to all those people who just came into the market and you experienced this major sell-off, this is not new. This is not something to be afraid of. This happened in 2013, this happened in 2017, this happened in 2020. Usually every time Bitcoin hits all-time high, it's usually followed by a big, 20 or 10 to 25% drawdown all the time. This is a trend we've seen for years and we'll probably see again soon. That's basically it. Let's look at the charts. What do we got on the charts here? You already have something pulled up there? Oh, look, JCast is here. Yo, what's up? Welcome, man.
Sorry, I'm late,
How was
guys.
your
Some technical difficulties.
No
Check,
worries,
check,
no
1, 2,
worries.
3.
It's okay. Everything is
We
okay.
can hear you well and clear.
All right, what did I miss? What are you talking about?
About
We're just talking
liquidations.
about the major sell-off. If you missed it, I'm sure you can rewatch it and hear it. But yeah, it's basically 1 billion
and
plus
liquidity.
1 billion plus got liquidated, and just told people all about it, how it happens, why it happens, and like, there's a big whale that dumped his wallet, 1,000 plus bitcoins in 1 hour from 2010. So 14-year dormant wallet got dumped.
Wow.
Yeah. That's it. So what's happening? So yesterday we called a long, right? Jake has.
No, I didn't call along. I think Red might have.
I did. I
What?
did. Yeah,
Yeah.
I did. Yeah. Should I? I don't know. Should I go through the position that we are in?
Bourbon,
Yeah.
thanks
Go
for the
ahead.
follow. Thanks for the subscription, Bourbon. We appreciate you, buddy.
Huh? What did you say?
Bourbon,
Look on the screen.
Jorp, he subscribed.
Oh, nice, nice. Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
for
you,
the sub.
bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. So should I go through the thought process? Explain to people again why we decided to enter that position. What was
100%. 100%. Show your screen. I'll add a
all
screen to
about?
the
Wait.
to this live and.
Yep. Share screen.
Oh, you're on Twitch,
So
Bourbon. You can join us. Sorry, I didn't notice that you were on Twitch. SLED-28 is our YouTube, right?
yes.
Yeah, Ed SLED-28. That is our YouTube. You can sub here or you can sub on our YouTube. I can even post it for you here.
And we'll have banners up this weekend for all of our socials that'll come across. And yeah, there you go. SLED-28. Yeah, he subscribed on Twitch. We appreciate that. And subscribe on YouTube as well. We're going to be everywhere.
Absolutely. Okay, Crypto J, I'm gonna add your chart to the stage. There we go.
Right. Let me hide this stuff here for now. All right. So basically, what happened, as Crypto Ukrainian said, we had major liquidations. And guys, I want you to get in mind one really important thing. The best positions happens when masses get stopped out. Like all of these people were longed from here. Wait, why isn't it? Yeah, from here. People have their stops all the way there. So imagine, and every stop loss, long stop loss triggered is automatically as market sell. As longs get stopped out, market makes automatic sells. So this is why we had this like type of volatility happening in this big ass wick that we had. So yeah,
Yep.
and then what we had 30-minute. Let's go on 30-minute real quick. As you see, 30-minute order block in confluence with 5-minute fair value gap. Beautiful reaction. As you see, market broke the structure, came into fair value gap, and
Oh,
if
that's
you miss
beautiful.
this, you could even re-enter even on a retest, and then we just shot up like crazy. And now we are like finding local resistance at this point. That's Fibonacci
83, right?
extension, yeah, 83. But still,
83%.
guys, don't forget we have like major liquidity sitting down here, up here.
Yeah.
So it's still like kind of, I'm looking to take out this liquidity and like kind of maybe swing fail this whole stuff. Wait, where is this shit? Like this, yeah. Imagine there's people stop losses all over here. And what market usually likes to do is to come up, swing fail this, close below this high, and then you can enter for a short. And if you're missing this opportunity here, you can wait for market structure shift to make a lower low and then market should create fair value gap, retrace to it, or order block, doesn't matter in that case, and then you can re-enter on the order block if you missed this move. For this move, you kind of have to have like Excel charts to see how many longs are FOMOing in. Then
Let's take a
it's
look at exit charts nonetheless. Show people that's another tool they can use. But that's a beautiful
yeah.
retracement nonetheless. 83% retracement from a sell-off. You could have made bank on that already. You know, like if you guys follow us, subscribe to us, you will see these live updates. We've been live every day updating you on these moves. This move was called out on our live yesterday.
7.5% move.
Spot. So if you were trading high-ass leverage, which you should be trading, not a financial advice, by the way.
Not a financial advice. Yeah.
But
don't forget
at
that.
100x, at a 200x, that's a 700 or 1400%. You could have closed right there.
Nice call made.
Yeah.
By Crypto G. All right, let's hop on Excel. Wait,
Let's
let
check out
me-
some
let
Excel.
me-
I think JCast is going to be back. He's having some technical difficulties with his freaking
It's all right.
Pigeon Village internet.
Excel looks live. Wait.
Let's jump into a track. I want to check out, while you're doing something there on your chart, I want to check out BCH, see if that thing has been moving at all.
Let's finish with Bitcoin first, I guess, and then we can
Oh
move
yeah,
on to alts.
sure,
All right.
sure. Just a lot of dead time. I thought I'd do something while you're.
Yeah, I'm kind of ready.
You kind of ready? All right. Let me switch back to you.
Do you see my screen? So yeah, guys, as I told you, let's see how many shorts trapped, not trapped, but yeah, how many shorts do we have here?
While you're zooming in, yo, we got 11 viewers. I think that's the record so far. And all these viewers are on X this time.
Nice. I have like 9 million here, but wait, let's zoom in here. Like
People,
as you see,
sorry, one more thing. People on X, please follow us on X. We're just starting out there, but most importantly, if you could, it's better quality anyways. If you go to SLED-28 channel on YouTube and follow us, subscribe, and hit the notification button, that would be much better than X. We love X, but it doesn't produce the same quality, and most of our viewership is on YouTube anyways. But you do you. If you want to use X, use X. Make sure you hit that follow. Thank you. All right, Crypto G.
all right, back to it again. As you see, we have bunch of shorts at the top. Like imagine like 41 million, 41 million, 46 million, 50 million, 60 million. And indeed, yeah, we have some longs too, but yeah, there's way more shorts. And this is liquidity. There is not like finished business. Price must come up here and take out those shorts. It's mark my words, it will do that. You can't see these type of numbers just like without highs cleaned out. Yeah, so this is how we usually decide our bias by liquidity, whereas where at the chart sitting most liquidity. And let's see what's happening like more locally here. I'm gonna pull out CBD a bit more.
So right now we can take
bullish.
a look at how many shorts are trapped, right?
Yeah,
in this
of course.
86% retracement, there's a whole bunch of shorts trapped as well. This could be a double-edged move here, and it is. It always is.
Yeah, look at these shorts at the bottom, short in the bottom. Like, yeah, this is, yeah, they're underwater now. Like price kind of wants to push up a bit because we have CVD divergences. Yeah, so
A whole bunch of shorts are trapped as well right now. So if the price goes up to 72K,
look guys, 46 million shorts at the bottom. They're underwater. Most likely price gonna take out the highs pretty soon, I guess.
Nonetheless, guys,
No,
always move your stop loss, always take partial profits, stay safe in your trades, always secure your profits. No trader has ever lost a trade that took green.
yeah. By the way, guys, we already took major profits like in this area, like in that Fibonacci
8-6.
886 retracement.
Yeah.
So yeah. All
Uh,
right, let's finish with XO because it's kind of hard to
yep.
explain. Yeah.
You mean you finished with it?
Wait, oh, it's kind of lagging at the moment, so I don't know.
That program always lags, man. They need to update their, I don't know, scripting.
There's nothing really much happening like at the moment. We have like big whales setting for shorts limits at 66,200. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Market is kind of dead at the moment,
Yep.
sideways.
Let's see what I got here. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my screen. We're gonna take a look at BCH here.
All right, we can move to
All
that.
right, so BCH kind of followed as well. Follows Bitcoin pretty nicely. It's been lagging behind a little bit, but when we did have that major sell-off, BCH had a major sell-off as well, and we went from 529 around there to $340. That's a major drop. But now Bitcoin is retracing. Bitcoin Cash is retracing as well. Let's pull the fib retracement here. So we're sitting at 38% retrace, 38% bounce, which is lagging behind substantially from Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have 86% retraced or bounced, and BCH only 382. But when this coin starts going, it starts going. I'm looking at particularly 65618 golden pocket area to be pierced eventually, and then to see new all-time highs. By the way, that was a great entry too on BCH. We've been mentioning it in the last podcast. I've been trading it a lot lately. That would have been a great entry as well for a bounce, especially if you do a position trade, low leverage, anywhere from 2 to 5x. Enter this and just let it ride to the new highs. To set a new all-time high would be pretty hard on this, but when Bitcoin hit was on the rise, like 60, it was 67, 66K before we pierced through all-time high. This hit a new local high, 529. So if we start accumulating or consolidating, as some people love to say, on Bitcoin, this will catch up and we will set a $200, $300 higher local high than we had before. So if you are in this position, like we said, you should just move your stop loss to break even and let it ride. Let it ride until it makes a big move and breaks this liquidity right here at 529, depending on the exchange. But basically, at that swing fail, we need to break it. Yeah, is what's his name back yet or not? JCast is not back yet. He's restarting. What else?
Maybe I should talk about the strategy that people can use for trading.
Somebody, yeah, you should. Justin Chapella says it's a sweet piano you got there. Radio. Yeah, man. You should have seen how we were carrying it in, man. It took 4 of us. JCast lagged out, and we had to carry it back ourselves. 15 viewers, guys. Awesome. Thanks, guys, for
Nice,
viewing.
nice.
This will be reposted and recorded on YouTube, so you can always come back to it and watch it. Yeah. All right, let's look at that strategy you had. Share your screen.
All right. Wait, for some reason. Wait, why I can't find that window? 1 second.
Check this out. Uh, where is it?
Wait, what?
Look at
Why?
this meme. Isn't it strange how we live longer than man? Yeah, it's weird. Boys, bring it on, motherfucker. 125x leverage.
Wait. Oh, I think I
There's some
need
cool
to
memes.
reload my trading view real quick.
Go ahead.
Just a pair of shoes, man. Just a pair of shoes.
Let's see what's going on our Discord. Meanwhile, let me switch the screen.
Let's try right now.
If you guys are not in our Discord,
All right.
I will make a banner, go down, join the Discord. You can see the little banner scrolling down there. But it's pretty nice. We get over 1,600 members. We always talk about charts, posting calls, whole bunch of profits. We got a Wall of Fame. If you get over 100%, we post you in the Wall of Fame. We always tag a person who actually earned it, so it's not picture taken from internet or somewhere else. You can actually speak to that person. That person is in our community. Ask them about their strategies. You can scroll up all day and see profits 400%, 143, 145, 277. Like it never ends. It never ends. And you can be on Wall of Fame if you have like 40%, but it's like a 3x or a 5x. That deserves to be on Wall of Fame too. I mean, the best hedges in the world make like 38, 40% a year. Look at the profits we make here. Don't take our word for it. Speak to the community. Everybody's welcome. It's not a private group. You just gotta use that link and you can be inside.
All right, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Back to Crypto G's chart.
All right, guys. What I will talk about today is volume profile theory. There is free indicator on TradingView. Wait. Let me try to find it where it is for y'all. Yeah, fixed range volume profile. This indicator will change your life if you don't know how to trade, and I will explain you all
Fixed
of the
range
things,
profile?
how it works. Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is. I don't know how people trade without it.
Yeah, this was a game changer for me when I started trading and when I knew about it. So basically, let's delete this and pull it again. How you pull initially like volume profile is you take, oh, bro, I don't know, my shortcuts doesn't work for some reason at the moment.
You want to be on
Fixed
15-minute time
range.
frame for that? Oh yeah, for the range.
Yeah, kind of.
You can use any time frame, but you just want to see a range.
Yeah, you want to see like a box, like box the
Yeah.
price up.
Yeah.
Maybe out, yeah. When you're pulling range profile, you want to like pull like that, you know. Like, imagine it's a box. All right, so what are you looking at? And you need price to develop a bit before entering a trade. So it might take a bit of time, and trade usually lasts from a day to maybe sometimes 2 days, depends on the volatility of the market. But what you're basically looking at, what you need to look for is, let's delete this fibs for a moment. What you're basically looking for, this is like for newbies, new traders. You're looking for deviation below value area low. What is value area low? Value area low is this yellow line. This is value area high. This is value area low, and this the red line is point of control. So all the time, what you need to look for, you don't enter. This is the golden rule. You don't enter when the price is in the middle of the range. You enter only when it's above value area high or value area low. And what confirmations you need to look for to enter it. You can use CoinGlass to check for liquidity, where is most of liquidity sitting. But usually, what you're looking for is divergences. When you deviate below, you look for RSI or CVD or stochastic divergences. And
Hidden
when
divergences.
and when you get it, you just enter it. Your first TP must be a point of control that already gives you 1 to 4 risk to reward, and second TP uh, gives you 1 to 7. So usually it's kind of good risk to reward, but it's kind of intraday trading like system. So yeah, it took, as you see, 2 days, 1.5 day. So yeah, and same for shorts, same for longs. You're waiting for deviation
Then you want it to come
above
down
or
back to the
below.
box.
Yeah, and then you have your confirmation with divergences, and then you enter it. And the other confirmation uh, is 618,786 Fibonacci. Wait, pulling from the right side, from the wrong side. Take the swing high, take the swing low. As you see, we rejected right from. Let me delete this noise. We rejected right in this how to say it, gap between
Yeah, between
786 and
786 and 886.
886, and as you see, market made divergences. It means big boys are in a game and they want to push price down. And as you see, all TPs smashed. So
Yeah, but
yeah,
also look how nicely it respects value area low, bounced right back
yeah,
up. You could have taken profit at the POC, which is the red line point of control. You could have taken the leftover profits at value area low. You could have, if you're risky, if you didn't wait it to go out of the box, you could have waited for confirmation candle that we are rejecting from value area low, entered another long, close it at the value area high, wait for another divergence when it steps outside the box above the value area high, and short it again. Like, you can trade the range of fixed volume profile, and it's super simple.
as you
Why
see,
you, Jacobs? What's so funny, brother?
Nothing. My wife.
Oh,
She's making fun. She's making fun of me.
as you
oh,
see, uh,
you
as
fixed
you
your internet?
see, like
Apparently it's fixed. Apparently it's fixed. Let's try it
All
out.
right, you sound good. You sound good.
Well,
All right,
thank you.
Crypto G, what up, brother?
yeah, as you see, like this going back to back, it's never stopping. Like deviating divergences, and you enter your longs. And usually what good traders do, traders that understand the market, that ranges break initially, usually good traders leave, take profit at the last like TP2 80% of your whole position, and leave the rest right. Stop loss, then you must do break even, risk-free trade. You already locked up some profits, and you trying to catch these big moves,
Yeah, you're
26% to 24, and so on. As you see, if you would enter on this, you would like be up, I don't know, 30%, but it takes time. That's
yeah.
why you leave like your runners running, and this is how you become highly profitable. So
Yep.
yeah,
You don't just close your position at a profit for no reason. Like, you have to have a plan. Like, if it's going up and you're winning the trade, there's no reason for you to close it. What you can do instead is secure profits, or by securing profits, I mean move your stop loss so that if the chart does go down, you will still be in profit. Don't get greedy, but don't just close a position just because you have high percentage and you're the winner, right? What's the point? You need to maximize your profits. That's the only way how you can, get on top of this game. Like, I
like
understand you want to
guys,
take profits, but
like in
be
this case
patient.
too, right? I took profits here and I took profits here, and I left 20% of my position running just in case we make new all-time highs, and my stop loss is already is in profit, like here
Yep.
this way, from the trade that I called out yesterday. And if we make new all-time highs, we make new all-time highs. I'm gonna just make more money. I already made money on this, and there is no risk for me anymore. Like
Yeah, it's a risk-free
I don't
trade.
give a fuck. I don't like it can go whatever, you know. This is like key in trading. If you want to be successful, you need to think with your head, you know, like
Yeah.
yeah.
Awesome, man. Well,
Which
thanks
head?
for
Which
that.
head, Red?
You
Crypto
already know.
Gino.
You already know. And guys, don't forget. Wait, let me check the camera. Oh, wait. Do you see me? Wait, do you see me? Yeah. Guys, don't forget
They see me
everything that we
rolling.
said. Everything that we say, you must write it down. Write it down. Everything. You must note. Do notebook. You must have notebook. You have to like write all these strategies down. Other way, bro. Like look,
Journal your trades, guys. It's not. I don't know if you have that
like
predisposition
look,
to
guys. We
journaling
have
and you
books
think
on
girls
books, books on
only
books, man.
girls journal. Well, guess what? Traders journal way more than girls.
Yeah, the biggest thing I say to all of everybody in our Discord and Red and everybody else is if you win a trade, study it. Why'd you win it? If you lose a trade, study it. Why the hell did you lose it? And that way you can try to create better habits and get rid of the bad habits.
Absolutely. JKS, you wanna chart a bit?
I can. I'm already charted, but let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm just sitting here waiting on this to go up, or down, down, down. Then I'll start looking at what I'm going to do. But right now it's just ranging. You got this
The
BS that you talked about earlier, and now we're just kind of sitting pretty right here.
No
by
kind
BS he
of
means break
this.
of structure. He doesn't mean bullshit, guys. Just
Yeah,
so you know.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
yesterday when this happened, those guys went long. Red did, and I told Alex because Alex is in a long. You still in that long, Alex? Or are you out of it now? He's shaking his head. Yes. So I told him, I said,
Profit.
if we break this box, then hold it. I told him right here at this 30-minute, he could take some profits. It's a 30-minute hold, take a little bit of profits. But I'm expecting this to come up and break the new all-time high. I'm still looking at 70 for Alex's next profit because I'm not in any trades. And then who fuck knows where it's going beyond that.
Can you
Let's
quickly
hope
explain to people
200K.
again? Because I notice a lot of people watch these stupid YouTubes and TikToks and how to draw trends, and they're always wrong. Can you show them really
Yeah.
quick how to draw trends so it's once and for all a closed subject? I guess it now will be closed, but at least for this live.
Yeah, like most people are like drawing trends like this and saying, there's our trend, just because it's 2 points that touch. That's not really a good trend. They'll say, oh, we went from here and then it's just right there. That's our trend. It's not an accurate trend. Accurate trends have to go in order, right? So your first trend is here. We came down, we made a higher high, a lower high, and a higher high. So this would have been your first trend right here, right? We broke trend with this red candle. Now my red candles are blue, my white candles are your green. I just changed the colors. So this red candle is the one that broke this uptrend, not these green candles. Green candles cannot break an uptrend. There's just no way for a green candle, a positive candle, to break an uptrend. So after this breaks, you look for a low, then you just extend your trend over, right? So you're playing trends here. Bam, this one broke it, came down here, made a newer low. So at this point, we would move it to here. But you have to do it in order. If you don't do it in order, then you're just making up imaginary lines saying this is the trend and it's going to respect it. And that's just not the way it works. Now, the way I do trends is I'll follow them all the way down until they're flat, and then I'll delete it. And then I'll know that we are now in a downtrend. And then I'll go in a downtrend. And then I'll follow this all the way back up till it's flat. And then I'll delete it. And then I'll know that we're back in an uptrend. And that's the way you do trends, because you can keep breaking them and you keep extending them, but you're still in a trend, even though it's just a range that's moving the trend wider and wider and wider. Always uptrends are distribution candle to distribution candle. Always downtrends are accumulation candles to accumulation candles.
Exactly.
Awesome. That's a great explanation. Yeah. And yeah, guys, start drawing correct trends because it makes a big difference. We have people in group here in our Discord that I knew, and they start posting their charts, and they're like, "Oh, it's this trend," and you look at it, and it's not a trend. It's just a little triangle that they saw on some video, and they think it's a trend. It's not. There's a particular way to draw trends, to draw levels, and it's a great way to trade because what trend is, I know people call it trend, but it's basically a support or resistance. And I personally like support resistances that are diagonal more than horizontal, even though you got to use both of them. But trend is just a support level or resistance level. That's all it is. People just call it a trend just because it's not horizontal.
That's right. Now, if you want to do the retail style trends, just get rid of your trend lines and just get yourself a channel. And what you can do is you can just pull your 2 points there and then find a higher one. That's the wrong one. You can pull your 2 points, your 2 low points or high points, and then just find a higher one in the middle. This must be lower. And then you can get a channel. And if you want to do channels, these are just not really like if it hits this top, you short, and if it hits this bottom, you long, but it can give you a good indication of overall where the market's going. But if you want to actually, exactly, but if you want to get into trends, I mean, you can go down, 5 minute, 1 minute, doesn't matter. Like here's the first trend that I see. We have accumulation and accumulation, right? Is a 5 minute. So I have all my stuff color coded, and I can break this trend down even more. So what you do is go to the second point it hits, then find the next one, right? Well, it broke. So we're going to go find here. It broke. So what's the next break? This one. And that's our new trend. And look, we can break this. So this could be a micro trend. This could be a, the bigger trend. And it can break this down, and we can follow this trend as it goes up until it equalizes and breaks it. And then we're into a bigger trend, and we know that the move's even stronger and stronger. So you can really take these trends down real far. I mean, you could even go as far as if you're day trading and you're just trying to find quick moves here. You can do this and then this and then this right here, and you can go long, and you can, when you're day trading on low time frame, you're in and out sometimes in 30 seconds. And you can follow these trends all the way around. They can break on any time frame, but it has to be accumulation to accumulation for downtrends, distribution to distribution for uptrends, because only a distribution candle can break an uptrend, and only an accumulation candle can break a downtrend. So there's no way that a red candle is going to break this trend, right?
Right. It
has to be green candles. That's right. So you would never pin it. You would never pin your downtrend to this red candle. And, and especially from a red candle to a green candle. Yeah, it's close, but it's not accurate. And accuracy is key if you want to have good data coming from your charts.
Absolutely.
And guys, if you want,
oh yeah, go ahead.
And if you want some like altcoins TA, you can ask in the chat. We might do some TA on altcoins for y'all, just for special requests, I guess.
Yeah, guys.
We'll have time.
Always write us comments. We see them all. We'll pin them. If you want to see some kind of TA on something you want to see, or just a general question about crypto, ask us away, guys. We have so much experience. Between four of us, we can cover any subject regards to crypto, stock, options, whatever you want. We're mostly leverage traders, high leverage traders, but we do it all, guys. I myself was, starting to develop into stock markets in 2008. Then somebody paid me for winning a Counter-Strike tournament in Bitcoin in 2013. And then that's how I got introduced to crypto, did some arbitrage, and I'm still here. So JCAS here, been trading for a long time. Once a student, now a sensei. CNC has been with us for over 2 years. He's been great at trading too. Risk management he's on risk management. He is better than any of us, to be honest with you. On point. Yeah, Crypto G here. Also, once a student, now a sensei. Basically, he trades ICT, smart money concepts, with his own shenanigans as well. Like he showed you, fixed volume profiles and fib and a whole bunch of other. I also know a lot about WD-GAN. On this Saturday, guys, if you tune in, we're going to have a special guest, developer, software engineer, as well as WD-GAN fan. He has a program called MTOPS. We'll find out everything about it, about Bertha circles and Big Bertha and all that WD-GAN stuff. If you don't know who WD-GAN is, I definitely recommend for you guys to join us on Saturday morning and listen to this podcast that we're gonna have.
This is big rabbit hole.
Absolutely.
With the GAN.
GAN is a big rabbit hole, guys.
GAN, get that GAN fan in there.
I'll show you guys in one of our future podcasts. a software called Genzilla, and how to find how to use square root of 9, and how to find key resistance and support levels using WD-GAN, which those lines get respected like crazy. It's just extra levels on your chart, which is always good.
Absolutely.
All right. Should we show
Alex,
anything
how's
else?
it going in the retail world, man?
Yeah,
What's
what the-
going on?
Well, retail
Who's
is
buying?
retail,
Who's selling?
Dallas.
What?
You're just hanging on for dear life right now. Got a real job because I'm poor. So retail just kind of like grabs a trade and holds on to it. I guess I can tell you that I got triggered by red, that the bottom of this dip was near, and started looking, got in twice, stop loss on what I thought were, what would you call it?
Retail.
It's retail issue, right? But at
Yeah.
the very end, I grabbed a. Can I share my screen? How does that work here?
Yeah, just click on present.
Doesn't matter. Oh, okay.
Click on
Here we
present.
go.
Yeah, and then just use either a window, an app, or a tab, whatever you want. You can, if you go app sharing, you can share your Discord.
All right. Here's. I use MEXC right now. I've got a fair desk account that I'm working on like funding here, but you can see here on my chart that my previous trades. So I tried to get in along here. I got stopped out. I tried to get in along here. Got stopped out. This was actually when red flagged us all as a group, and so I started watching more carefully. I got in along right here. I think I put 20 bucks into it, 21 bucks, and it went minus 68% before I even entered my stop loss. So thank God I didn't get liquidated. But I got my stop loss in when it was positive here. So I went, as soon as it was plus 5%, I set a stop loss at minus 20%, which was here. And then as soon as it went plus 20 or 30%, I took half my margin out. So here I was in at 20 bucks, and here I was in at 12 bucks basically. And
Guys,
then just let that ride.
I want to interrupt a little bit, Alex. Guys, this is example how to not enter a trade. Then I showed example what you need to look for to enter a trade. Because you see, he says he got like
Exactly.
almost wrecked. He was like this close.
Yeah.
And we are entering trades when we already know that there is a confirmation that market structure shift. And because when he entered, there was no confirmation to enter. Like, okay, it was like liquidity grab, but you never know how low it will go. Like you just never know. Maybe the guy who crypto Ukrainian talked about in the first place that sold 1,000 Bitcoin. Maybe he has like 1,000 more to sell. Who knows?
Let's
Yeah.
talk about
You
real
never
quick
know.
though before Alex takes his chart down. Red gave him a pretty damn good call. You can see his entry is down there on that knife. His available margin is 157, and he's up 40% of that total margin. Now we all know, Alex, you guys don't who are watching, he's not going to put in more than 5% of his total margin. So he has taken his account now from presumably $90 or so. Now he's up to 157 with a $60 win at this point with a stop loss well into profit. Red called that call. Alex took it, our little retail guy, and everything's going great, and he's making a lot of money here. So keep that in mind. Red's the man.
We got a comment here
Yeah,
from
and risk
Bourbon
management, guys, like-
Jorb. He says, "Hello, Crypto G28. Can you please show us what trades you're currently on the screen like this?" We usually, I'll let him speak for himself, but usually a lot of us don't show our trades. We can speak with them, but it's
I can
just
show you
just
my
for security
TA.
purposes.
That's
You
it.
can show the
That's
TA,
it.
yeah, but we don't.
There is nothing to prove for me to anybody.
Some people just trade very big amounts of money, and it's just not safe. I'm not saying that he is or he doesn't, but I'm just saying, like, one thing is to show maybe like a $12 margin, but another thing is to show 30, 40, 100, whatever it is, $1,000 margin. Internet is not a safe place. And also, just so you guys know, there are liquidity and trade hunters out there, the market makers, and it's been recorded many times. I have friends personally, and Crypto G as well, where somebody was on live and he's like, "Oh, I'm a $150,000 trade margin trade at 20 or 30x," and boom, they specifically, because somebody stream sniped them and somebody with a big bag of money just threw a wig down with a bigger bag than he does and licked them or stop loss them. So it's, you just don't, if it's a small trade, yeah, but if it's a big trade, you try not to share that at all.
We show mostly
like-
just our percentages to these guys, and we can throw percentages up here and show you live trades, but nobody has anything to prove to anybody on how much money's in it. It's the actual trade execution, the trade analysis that each of us do before we get into our trades. That's what's most important. Trade with a penny, trade with a dollar, trade with a million, doesn't matter. It's whether you can make the trade accurately and your profit and your risk is on point.
100%.
Absolutely. Yep.
Risk
Agreed.
management, number
Agreed.
one.
Yep.
If you can afford to go for lunch, that you can afford to trade that and lose it. But anything more than
Mhm.
that, you're gambling.
Yeah.
That's true.
Well, yeah. So we try to keep it. Most big money traders are between 1% to 2%. We suggest no more than 5% of your total
Portfolio.
tradable portfolio. So
Yeah.
you know, if you've got
What I
if you got
risk
1,000
usually
bucks in
on
there,
a
do 50
trade
bucks.
is 1% from my capital on the trade. Sometimes
See,
1.5.
even
but
1%. 1% is very, very risk averse, and it's good. And you shouldn't, like, if you guys are gambling and you have $100 and you're just doing a full port trade, that's not the way to trade. I'm not saying that I haven't done it. I can do it. I've showed it live many times.
All
You know,
done
I
it.
can bring $100. We're all done it. I can bring $100 account in an hour to a $3,000 account. But that's not what you do. Like that's just, if you want to play around, you can have two tradings. Like, you know what I mean? If you do have extra money, fuck you money, basically what I call, go ahead, experiment. You know, I'm not saying you're not going to make money, but if you're actually here for a long run, for a long game, to stay here without getting wiped, you got to have rules. You got to have rules and you got to follow them. Otherwise, you're going to get wrecked. If not today and not tomorrow, then, you know, sometime. But you will get wrecked. Trust me. If you don't have any rules, it always happens. Damn! Look at this.
Yeah, because
fucking
we'll wreck
KGB
a
FSB.
$100 account real fast.
Yep.
Yeah. So
And
does
there's
lunch.
no reason to trade big amounts, guys. You on Maxi you can trade 200x. $100 if you divide it in $10 portions, $10 at 200x. You know, it will bring you crazy ass profits. With just $10, you can bring in crazy bags. And then let's say on $10 you make $60. Your account is now $160. Now you have 16 tries to do it. You know, it's just do it smart.
Yeah, my best way is, especially for new guys, if you could take your money and trade it 100 times before you wipe it out, that's the best way to do it. So 1%, right? And then you
Yep.
take your 1%, and as long as you don't risk the whole 1%, you have good TA, then you can turn that 100 trades into 200 trades. And especially if you're just starting off, start off with whatever you're going to waste on a weekend dinner and put it in there and do that a few times while you're learning, and eventually you'll get it.
100%.
Yep. But at
100%.
200x,
All right.
your liquidation is 200x closer. Don't forget.
Yeah, but only gays don't do 200x.
Yo, let's take a look. JCAS, could you pull up really quick just to see that Trump coin again? What's it doing? That we mentioned in the previous live.
Yeah,
This
there
is
it
nuts.
is.
It's retracing too,
There
or no?
it is.
Show it. Show
little
it
bit.
4 hour chart.
Did a 7,000% jump on whatever the heck this thing is.
MAGA guys, 2024 election.
Yeah, but see, I bet you it's a 786 right here, or 886, close enough, right? So this could go up even further if this holds it. It looks like it's trying to hold it.
Yeah.
I would bet it will take that liquidity, like yeah, to see this equal lows, kind of, yeah, right where your mouse was.
Yeah, the one I just marked. Yeah, I never even heard of this coin, this token, until yesterday, day before, and these guys had me pull it up, and I was just laughing as soon as I saw it.
Yep. Bourbon Jorp again with a question. Crypto Ukrainian, you have one live trading video on YouTube. Will you be posting more? It would probably, maybe. We trade live right now, to be honest with you. We trade live yesterday. It's not that we again, it's not that we show our positions per se, even though we do show pictures of our entries and our percentages, but we trade live all the time. Technically, we are still trading live right now because we're in a position from yesterday. We're in a long position on Bitcoin from that swing fail on the downside. And Yeah, of course we trade live, and there's a whole bunch of calls and charts posted when we enter on our Discord. So if you're not in our Discord, guys, join our Discord. You can get our Discord invite link at getsled.net, or you can always see it. We can always see it there, yeah. And also, we always want to discuss, charts with other successful traders and share strategies to new people. So if anyone wants to, be our guest, you can always shoot us an email at info@getsled.net, and we'll review it, and you can be a guest on our podcast, no problem. We're definitely looking for talent. We're definitely looking for people to chat with, just so you don't see our old faces all the time.
That's right. These people. We have a big one coming up this weekend, so stay tuned.
Yeah, guys, and as Crypto Ukrainian said, we making calls on live. So if you join our lives and if you subscribe to our channel, you might get paid. Not financial advice, but like yesterday, the price of Bitcoin went up like 7% from the entry. So yeah,
100x, that's
on spot.
700%.
Like from the
13%.
bottom, like 13%, but from the entry that I
1,350.
gave 7.
2,700 at 200x, because the position was called perfectly without any substantial risk.
But affection, I think Alex right now is probably up 500-600%.
Yeah, let's pull up his info. He posted a picture.
487. I think I'd like to point out though, like, these guys sound and look like assholes, but they're super nice in chat, and they'll make sure and go way beyond what's necessary to try to make sure you don't lose money. We've got a few members that have made some pretty high risk trades, and myself included, and they've always talked me down. So it's great.
Yeah,
Just want
we're
to
not
clarify,
assholes, we're
the
just
only
scared.
asshole here is Red.
Well,
No.
You're talking the biggest.
Fuck you, Jake.
We're not
Everybody
gonna
click like
compare,
if you
right?
think Red is an asshole.
Fuck y'all.
If you think Crypto G28 is an asshole, share and subscribe.
Yeah. By the way, we say Red, we call him Red. When we say Red, that's Crypto G. We're talking about Crypto G.
Crypto
Also
G.
known as Red. Yeah, just so if you guys were wondering, who the hell is Red? What are they saying? Red. Are we talking about red candles? No, we're talking about this motherfucker in aviators that just landed on a fucking European continent.
He's our Lithuanian buddy.
Eastern European, now Lithuanian.
Hi guys,
Damn,
anything else
shots
you guys
we
want to
don't-
go over?
We're gonna call it, guys. We'll give you a couple of minutes to ask some questions. If you don't have any questions, we're gonna call it. We like to keep it short and sweet. We've already been live for 53 minutes.
Put on some
went-
music, get a
went
couple
too
questions in
fast.
here, and trading XRP. We trade anything that moves. We trade absolutely anything that moves.
The bigger manipulation, the funnier it is to trade.
We have all traded XRP before. And hey, there's a classic example of that channel I was talking about earlier. So you're on the bottom 50% of the channel here. Doesn't mean if it hits this, you take it off and go for a long. It's just giving you the general direction. Then you can take it down in time frame. Yeah. What do you want to know about XRP?
XRP to the moon, bro. 10K per coin, 2023, man.
XRP to zero.
Make sure you guys
2030,
follow us.
2030.
Subscribe on
sorry.
YouTube, on Twitch.
Follow us on Instagram. We posting.
Follow us everywhere, guys.
Yeah, everywhere.
Trying to see if
Yeah,
it's a good time to buy.
DCA maybe. Yeah. If you're just buying retail, maybe.
Dollar cost averaging, yeah, like
Depends on what your trading strategy is. If you're just investing or if you're trading, good time to trade it. It's kind of in the middle, so I wouldn't.
Let me just
Let me say something about DCA, right, guys? So I want to repeat this, and I already said this before on our TikTok, that if you DCA'd in Bitcoin, even if you didn't DCA at dips like everyone's saying, you would have made 30%. And that was 3 months ago when Bitcoin price was 23,000 or something like that. So no matter where you enter DCA in Bitcoin, from the important low to important high. It's always been a profitable investment. It's like a storage for your money basically, except that Bitcoin gives you way more percentages than a bank would. A bank saving account will give you 1 to 3% yearly, and in Bitcoin, no matter where you DCA, you get at least 30%, and that's a stat. That's an official stat from year to year.
Yeah, I don't know. I see XRP going to take out liquidity at 74, 75 cents. I have something on this charted, from way back. But yeah, guys, same smart money concepts. I don't know. I can like maybe share my screen for a second just to give you idea if y'all want to see some interesting stuff.
Sure, quick. You got 4 minutes because I wanna end it at an hour.
Yeah, I wanna go to. I need to go to sleep actually. This shit is fucked up.
So this is from our team. I started DCA BTC at 13,800. Learned to trade with 1% of that holding since then. There you go. Hold, guys. Don't be scared of dips. Don't be scared of anything. Just if you're into accumulation game and you don't want to trade, just keep buying. Keep buying. Just don't put money. It's not financial advice, but just don't put your money that you're gonna be regretting that you lose. Put your dinner, like CNC said. Put this and that. Like more people than you think waste money on a Friday on stupid shit, on drugs and alcohol and fast food and munchies and whatnot. Just if you don't take all of it from there, at least take part of it from there and invest. And look at a bigger picture, guys. Don't look at it as a quick money scheme. It's not a quick money scheme. Like, I've been here since 2013, guys, and I'm still in it. You don't want to be the guy who's in it for a bull run and then everything crashes back to 10K or 20K and you're like, okay, Bitcoin is dead. It was a scam. No, this happens. People say that every single bull run. And it's always going up. Look at the parabolic move of Bitcoin. Has it ever been less than it started at? You know what I mean? It's always going up. Always. It can't go below what it started at. Unless it gets shut down.
I don't want to be like financial advisor on XRP, but this stuff is ready to kind of go.
To pop? Yeah, but it's in general, XRP is garbage, but if you're just trading it, there you go. It's popping.
Yeah, because
he's trying to start a fight.
Yeah, because we had this major liquidity run with smaller time frame fair value gap that we retested, and now, as you see, by smart money concepts, we just sweeping liquidity, we will sweep this liquidity and this liquidity. And how do I kind of know that we retested this value area high of this big range, and we didn't came back in it to revisit value area low. So I don't know. I see only like up movements for it. So I don't know. Hold your horses and get ready for a nice ride. This is my opinion on this.
That's just 2 cents, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna call it here. So please follow us on all our socials. Follow us on YouTube. That's very important to us. We're trying to grow our account. Thanks for all the subs that we just recently got. We're at 558 or 57 subscribers. Follow us on X. Follow us on Twitch. Just so you guys can see more of us. We try to update you every time. Follow us on Instagram. You can join our Discord. It has all our social links, or you can also find them on, like I said, getsled.net. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back again tomorrow. And make sure you tune into our podcast on a Saturday night. Peace, guys.
Catch you next time.
Peace, guys.